The profit and loss account is another one of the key financial statements in your business. It shows the financial performance of your business over a specific period, usually 12 months. It's also used by HM Revenue and Customs to check your calculations for tax and NI contributions. I'm going to give you a quick overview of a profit and loss account so that you get a basic understanding of what it includes. It may be easier if you download Profit and Loss Account at a glance and follow it through with me. Okay, let's see what a P&L is all about, shall we? The first line is the total sales. This includes sales that you have invoiced even if you have not yet been paid. Next is cost of sales. This is the total cost that you have incurred in order to produce these sales. It's likely to include materials, labour and overheads. Now the first calculation, gross profit. This is total sales minus cost of sales. In our example, that's £20,000 minus £5,000, making a gross profit of £15,000. Now we move on to the fixed costs and overheads. In our example, this is £10,000. Finally, we come to the net profit. This is the gross profit minus all the business expenses. This doesn't include drawings though. In our example, the net profit is £5,000. The net profit is also called the bottom line. If the bottom line is positive, you have made a profit. If it's negative, you have made a loss in that period. So, that's what a profit and loss account is all about. It's an important statement for giving information about your business. But remember, the profit you see here is on paper. It is for accounting purposes. Cash is what is important for running the business, and you need your cash flow forecast for that.